Today, let me show you the electric stacker. It is also a highly cost-effective member in the material handling field. The rated lifting capacity of this equipment reaches 1,500 kilograms. The lifting height is 3 meters, but customization is supported, and it can be customized to a height of 6 meters. The equipment weight varies by model, ranging from 500 to 620 kilograms. Equipped with a permanent magnet brushless motor and an explosion-proof hydraulic system, it achieves zero-emission operation, significantly enhances lifting and traveling efficiency, while reducing operator fatigue. Equipped with an external intelligent charger, delivers over 6 hours of continuous operation at full load after a full charge. Here are all the basic parameters. Does anyone have any further questions? Feel free to leave a comment below.